Imagine a day where time stands still, where the world fades away, and all that remains is the warmth of love, the beauty of nature, and the joy of being together. This is one day in paradise with love, a journey through the woods, the hills, and the heart. Let the music guide you, as we step into a world where every moment is pure magic.
Paint me a scene, city in color, the way that you see, the way you see it. Don't you wish that I could give you, I could give you everything. If you wanna run ahead, I'll meet you where the water meets the earth we cling to. If you wanna find the edge, I'll come too. I could run around this world all day with you. Weightless, floating through the day. Trust that I'll be okay. I'm happy alone, waiting for you. Wait until you realize.
In the quiet of the woods, love speaks louder than words. The rustle of leaves, the whisper of the wind, the laughter shared between two souls. This is where paradise begins. Let the melody carry you, as we celebrate the simple, yet profound beauty of love. If this song has touched your heart, help us spread the magic. Like, comment, and share this video with someone special, and let love grow together.
Sing it out like you want to, Dolly, like you're 17, and everything, everything, it feels like a dream. Oh, I could show you this world around you. Through my eyes, my whole view. The place I love, the place I cling to. Weightless, floating through the day. Trust that I'll be okay. I'm happy alone, waiting for you. Wait until you realize. Weightless, floating through the day. Trust that I'll be okay. I'm happy alone, waiting for you. Wait until you realize.
Love is the thread that weaves through every moment, every memory, every heartbeat. One day in paradise with love is more than an experience, it's a reminder of the beauty that surrounds us when we walk hand in hand with the one we love. If this journey has inspired you, help us create more moments like this. Subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment sharing your thoughts, and share this video with someone who makes your heart sing. Together, let's grow a community where love and music unite.